Apparently it's time to clean the reels. They're a little stiff from the Sharkathon. I gotta post that video, it's been months. Mayo. I just realized I forgot a towel. I'm gonna have to wait to get in the car. Alright. That one's out there. Next. Alright, here we go again. There's a lot of fish moving out of my way out there. I think a lot of it's mullet, which is good. That's what you want to hear. Ooh, fishy. You know, I've never really done a great review on this Avid. For those of you that are always asking me what I use, this is an Avid. It's the LX6MC, which means it's got the MagnaCast. I thought that'd be good for me, being a little bit new to the bigger casting conventional reels at the time. A couple things I don't like about it. This drag is super, like, that's too much, and that might be just enough for the current to take it out. It's very sensitive in the spot where I like to set it. The other thing is, when I reel forward, look how far back that goes. That's huge. I mean, that's a lot. When you're trying to set it in and it backs off a ½ inch, I mean, look at this. Other than that, it's well built. The thing is a workhorse. I hardly ever clean it because I'm just not great with my equipment. When I get back, I might spray it down. Both of the reels need a good cleaning because this one's a little stiff also, I noticed as I was going out. So we'll leave it at that. I mean, it's a good reel. It's a very strong reel. As you can see, I've lost line over the shark fishing. I've gotten cut off by those stupid black tips. I need to clean it up. I need to take it off the rod when I get back this time and kind of go through and do a cleaning on all my reels. I had a sharkathon a couple months ago, and anyway, the stuff got wet. It was a really windy night. So there was a lot of mist blowing on it, and I just didn't clean things up. But we'll get fish. All right, here we go. I guess I should take the plastic off. So like I said, I got it on a little longer rod than I'm normally doing the bait rod with. 7.6 Ugly Stick GX2. 13 fish. I was able to wrench this big old fish in. 30 pounds of drag, buddy. I got this thing because it's got 30 pounds of drag, so I can go offshore and catch some big fish. Bait. Get him in the cooler for a minute, get the lines in, and put some fresh bait out. Well, I missed getting it on camera, but I just got this little ladyfish. Somebody just turned themselves into bait. These things bleed really well, and they're awesome shark bait. There's a chance. Let's see.